Hey folks, it's Papa Texas and Maddie. So we were at Academy yesterday and we found this. Check that out. Freeze-dried ice cream sandwich with real ice cream. Ready to eat, no drip, no mess. Serving one. So I'm gonna eat it. We're gonna do a taste test on this. Mountain House Savor the Adventure ice cream sandwich. And we're gonna let you know, normal people, well, can't say that, can we? We're gonna let you know what we think. All right? Be back in a minute. Well, it looks normal. Wow. Look at that. It's very lightweight. Let's just do this. Oh, wow. All right. That's too crunchy. I have a mess over here. It's good. You know what it tastes like? Tastes like a freeze-dried. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich. I don't see anything wrong with it. All right, I give it a thumbs up. All right, 2 thumbs up. That's your review. Oh, she's giving you 2. It's Papa Texas. See ya.